long range LiDAR solution for less than $300. So I'm repeating the title. Long range LiDAR solution for less than $300. So let's see how it is going to be present by the presenter, Mr. Nikunj from ARTH PHOTONICS. So I'm requesting the speaker, Mr. Nikunj, on stage from ARTH PHOTONICS, where he is going to be present presentation on the topic long range LiDAR solution for less than $300. So please.
So, good evening, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here. My name is Nikunj and I am the product manager for the LiDAR division at the ARTH PHOTONICS. I am in charge of the hardware electronics development for the LiDARs. Today, I will give you the information about our company, the technology, the roadmap, and specification of our products, and the commercial aspects and targeted industries. At ARTH PHOTONICS, we are building a perception solution which enables the level 2 ADAS and beyond in one of the most cost-effective way. The goal is quite simple, that we want to offer safe transportation and mobility. Our aim to make every Indian car ADAS enabled with Make in India LiDARs. Obviously, the aim is not possible if the cost is not reduced to make it affordable to all. To understand how we can deliver such kind of technology with affordability, let me give you my company brief. At ARTH PHOTONICS, we are the pioneers in developing next generation perception solutions that empowers the autonomous systems to fully comprehend and interact the real world around them. Our innovation enables the new level of safety and accuracy. Starting with the groundbreaking advancement in the LiDAR technology, ARTH introduced the coherent solid-state LiDAR that enabling the ultra-high resolution 4D imaging. 4D stands for 3D plus velocity information. This milestone sets the foundation for our ongoing innovation. Today, we are taking it further by combining the event-based neuromorphic sensor and neuromorphic signal processing with sensor fusion techniques. We deliver the unparalleled real-time object tracking and mapping that allows autonomous systems to perceive and react the world efficiently and accurately. At ARTH, we have two groups. One of the working is in the neuromorphic technology, and other is the working in the imaging LiDAR. Here, our company, we have end-to-end design capabilities for optics, electronics, and mechanical design. We have partners who are leading Indian manufacturers for the optics fabrication. We have experienced and dedicated team for optics who is responsible for designing optics like lens, mirrors, focusing optics. We have in-house facility for the electronics design, development, and manufacturing. For mechanical design, we have an efficient team who can solve the design as well as fabrication challenges. Also, we are associated with the leading Indian manufacturers who can fabricate the parts as per the design requirements. As far as we aim to build a low-cost LiDAR, it cannot be built by sourcing all components. To achieve this, we have built our own semiconductor chip development team who can design and simulate. For fabrication, we are in partnership of various foundries at worldwide. We have finished the design of the transmitter chip, the receiver chip, and DSP chips for our future products. We have collaboration for the packaging facility to fabricate our chip within the India at the Chandigarh. We also have the facility to electro-optical characterization for the chip and package level. Since last couple of years, we have evaluated the LiDAR technology and identify the best and cheapest tech for the LiDAR. We operated in the stealth mode, and as we didn't want to tell you the numerous ways in which the LiDAR cannot be built. Our company established in the Feb 2025, and we have headquarters in New Delhi and Ahmedabad. Currently, we have an execution team to guide our operations, and we are a group of 15 people working together. Most of the team members have more than 15 years of experience in developing electro-optical systems for the defense and space. Apart from these, we have 5 advisors, 6 consultants, and 5 international partners also. For present year, we have a single point contact for our chief advisor, Mr. Sandeep Shah, who is a 20 years veteran in the defense and space sector and can be reached at the email info@arthphotonics.co.in. Here, I would like to give you a short intro about the different LiDAR technology. There are 4 LiDAR technology, and we have mastered the art of building them. Basically, we know what not to be developed. As you can see, the first point, the time of flight single pixel LiDAR. TOF stands for the time of flight. Here we measure the distance as a function of the time difference calculated by transmitted pulse and the received pulse. Second one is the FMCW, and FMCW stands for frequency modulated continuous wave LiDARs. Here we measure the distance as a function of the difference in the transmitted frequency and the received frequency. And AMCW stands for amplitude modulated continuous wave, and here the distance is the function of a phase difference. Our LiDAR is a coherent solid state LiDAR which can generate a high resolution 3D plus velocity information which gives the capability for autonomous systems to interact the real world. Around the timeline of our product is within the year. Our product is inspired from the human brain. As a result, the product can produce the ultra-fast processing by neuromorphic processor. Due to this, the feature of our product can generate the inputs at the speed of 150 kilometers per hour. We understand the cost is very important factor in every product. It decides the affordability of the product to the market. With the help of latest technology and manufacturing capabilities, we are going to be world's most cheapest LiDAR solution provider. As far as the safety comes first and priority, we are not harming people, animal, or environment. Our laser within the guidelines of the safety measures. Our product offers long range about 300 meters with wide FOV and high angular resolution. 300 meters long range with 10% reflectivity target enables us to ability to so far for collision avoidance, and FOV helps to map the terrains and terrain for more accuracy. High resolution is required to detect small objects and even as the pedestrian is at the speed of 150 kilometers. The specification that we are offering is difficult to realize for any comparative technology at the size, weight, and power that we are offering. Now let me give you a brief about neuromorphic vision technology. This event-based sensor technology that works on AER, Address Event Representation Protocol. Let me explain you. A normal image sensor or camera records all the information and transfer in the field of view where the information is static or not. While neuromorphic sensor camera transfer only information which is changing in terms of motion or brightness. Actually, it mimics the human retina or eyes, transferring only the information to the brain. They are designed to similarly to the way the neurons of retina respond to changes in the light and making them highly efficient for detecting motion and rapid changes in the scene. Unlike the traditional cameras that capture full frame at the fixed intervals, Event-based sensors generate data only when the pixel detects significant changes in brightness and sending the individual events asynchronously. But only transmitting the only relevant information. These sensors are using very less power compared to the standard cameras. They can handle a wide range of light intensities due to their ability to respond small objects and small changes across the entire brightness spectrum. Neuromorphic event-based sensors are particularly useful for the application like robotics, autonomous vehicles, motion analysis, and low-power vision system where the rapid detection of movement is crucial. Neuromorphic processor is like a computer chip that mimics the human brain's neural network. Neuromorphic processor is more efficient at training and running the neural network. Neuromorphic processors are made up of array of artificial neurons that they are physically connected. They use spiking neural network technique inspired by how neurons in the brain communicate. Here, the fusion of brain chip sensor with the solid-state LiDAR and that connected to neuromorphic processor can generate the next level perception solution. It empowers the autonomous systems to interact near by real world to physical activities with the level of accuracy and intelligence. Here we can see how we are progressing and our future products to be look like. Spider is an AMCW based LiDAR with near field range about 10 meters at frame rate of 20 frames per second and gives us 3D plus brain chip fusion data products. It is targeted application like in-cabin monitoring. King is a high range at lower frame rate and also generate a fusion data products. As it has a high range about 1.5 kilometers, it is targeted for the railway applications. Hawk is a mid-range device which has a 10 FPS rate and fusion data products, and we have this model at our stall, so you can visit our stall booth, stall number 17, and experience. For silver model, we have all design ready and simulations are also completed. By end of the November 2025, we will complete the development and testing. The gold and platinum models are similar to the silver models by increased range and frame rate. Here, our LiDAR offers, I can discuss about the specifications of our LiDAR. Our LiDAR offers the range of 300 meters to generate collision avoidance warning at the speed of 150 kilometers per hour. With the wide FOV of 40 cross 20 degrees, it enables the object detection at high curvatures also. High angular resolution empowers the identification of pedestrian and small objects at the top speed of 150 kilometers. Based on a FMCW camera, it is based on the FMCW technology and generates intensity, distance, as well as velocity output products. Compact the design, it has the features of like compact design and lightweight about 0.5 kg and has only 15 watt power consumption. The neuromorphic camera has some specification here with. It has also the range of 300 meters and it can generate also the collision warnings for 150 kilometers. This is also based on the AER address event representation protocol, so only output data requires very low bandwidth even if at the higher frame rate. As same as the LiDAR, it also have a wide FOV to detect the object at the high curvature. It has 100 FPS frame rate, so it can generate the collision warning extremely fast with the neuromorphic processor in the fraction of millisecond. So here, nowadays, data privacy is our most critical point to be considered. As we are using the event-based vision techniques, there is no requirement of saving data of your roads, streets, highways, and terrains of your region. Our algorithms works on the current data, which is volatile. We will get our all products to be certified for automotive industry to give reliability and trust. LiDAR is not for just only automotive industry. It has various other applications like in aerospace industry like spacecraft navigation, landing machines, and spacecraft docking applications also. In the defense domains like anti-drone system and maritime navigation, and of course automotive industry that for ADAS. Neuromorphic technology also has a different application apart from ADAS, like aerospace industry at lower, middle, and geosynchronous orbit-based target detection and tracking, like in defense industry for terrestrial missile tracking and detection, and civil application like smart wearables. So please visit our stall at exhibition stall number 17, and the 3D unit is now available at our stall. Thank you.